Before starting, make sure you turn your tablet off. I forgot to do that in this video. For this repair, you will need a plastic opening tool and a small Phillips screwdriver. The first step is to use the opening tool to pry open the back plate of the tablet. Find somewhere to get the tool in and work it around the tablet until the back plate pops off. Next, flip the tablet screen side down and use the opening tool to unplug the battery. Then use the opening tool to remove the silver and gold ribbon cable. To remove the silver cable, undo the clamp on the top of the cable as shown. For the gold, peel the silver tape back to expose the pop connector. Simply pop it up and out as shown. Afterwards, remove the 4 screws holding the battery frame, then remove the battery. If you want to, you can remove the silver ribbon cable completely. Just undo the clamp like you did for the other side and remove the cable. Next, remove the ribbon cable from the volume and power buttons. Similar to the silver cable, lift the back clamp up and remove the cable from the socket. Now remove the white speaker plug. To do so, just remove it from its port. Remove the 8 screws on the top circuit board and remove it carefully. Take note that the back camera is held down by tape. Use a minor amount of force to remove it from said tape. To remove the camera, unclip the back clip of the camera and remove it. This is now the time to insert the new camera that you have. Once inserted, clip the back clip back up. Make sure you place the camera in its correct side as shown. Place the top circuit board back in place. Be sure not to have the top circuit board on the volume and power button ribbon cable. Now put the power and volume ribbon cable and speaker cable back in place. For the power and volume, insert it into the socket and clamp it down. Replace all 8 screws back to the board. Be careful not to touch the silver oval, that can demagnetize the screwdriver. Reinsert the battery and silver ribbon cable. Now reconnect the battery. Plug one end of the cable into the socket and clamp it down. Do the same with the other. For the gold cable, push it down into the pop socket and add the back to tape. Screw the battery in place with the 4 screws. Finally, add back the back cover. Be sure to start with the bottom first. I did not do that and had to remove the cover again.
I have another.